Okay, Bob here again, and I'm going to today install a Quicklift for the hood of the Bronco, and just a few parts. I got the two struts and the mounting hardware that goes along with it. So let me get over here and we'll get started. Okay, so they say that this adds 8 inches of height to the hood when it's open, once you get them installed. So let's see where we're at now. Let's go right to there, since I'm doing it one-handed, and it's about a little less than 32 inches right now. So we'll see how that comes out. First thing is these guys, they have what they call a blind nut on the back of them. And I'm hoping that I can do this one-handed. We'll see how this works out. And the second hole up from the hinge, and put that in. Yeah, that's pretty simple. And you tighten it up. Couldn't have got any simpler than that, I don't think. Yep. Come over and do the other side. Second hole up. And easy peasy. Okay, I'm going to shut this off for just a second, figure out where the other two brackets go, so hold on. Okay, I found where these other ones go. The one on the driver's side will be right back there where that insulation is, and on the passenger side it will be right back in here. There's a bolt right there. So I gotta get that unscrewed. Let's start with the driver's side, see if I can set this down in such a way you can halfway see what I'm doing. Tucked up in here pretty good. Well, I'm going to see if I can work on that. Take a little doing to get to it, but I'm not having too much trouble. The pictures, they have pretty good pictures, but the pictures were so close that it was a little hard to figure out exactly where the picture was being taken of. Well, those are pretty long-winded bolts. All right. And they'll go in there just like that. Or it's supposed to go in there like that, we'll see. And there it goes. All right. deep well socket is just a little too long, and the shallow well socket's just a little bit too short. We got to get it screwed in there quite a ways before I can get the ratchet back on it. And there it goes, I think. All right. That's the driver's side. Yep, looks right. We'll see when we get to the final stage. Let's see. Can you see anything? Probably not, huh? Alright. The other one's back in here. Excuse me. This one's coming out a little easier. Careful, don't let these bolts get away from you, because if they fall back into there, you'll never get them back. They neglect to tell you that in the instructions. Don't lose the bolt. Of course, now that I've said it, I'll probably lose the bolt, right? Well, there we go. Got it started back. You know, I just realized as I did this one, there's a little wiggle room for it to kind of go back and forth. So I'm going to double check the other one and make sure it's out all the way. Because it looks like it's, right now it looks like it's a little too far back under this piece of sheet metal here. So I'm going to loosen that up just a little bit, see if that'll slip out. Turn, I should say. Yep, it sure did. It turned out. Now it looks like it'll line up a lot better. So that might be something to pay attention to when you're installing this. There we go. All right. Well, if the packaging is any indication, these are pretty good ones. They are Ford. What do they call them? Ford Performance. Yep. I got them off of Amazon, where we all do our shopping, right? So according to this part goes up and there's some little trick to opening her up. And while I figure out that trick, I'm going to pause it. Okay, doesn't appear like it's that difficult. Supposedly it just pushes right on there. So you install the bottom one first. Yep, that's all it is. Just push it on there. Now I'm going to have to drop that so I can lift it up higher. And that. Oh, pushes right on there. Feels pretty secure. And I'll tell you what, the hood ain't going to go any higher. Let's turn this back this way. I don't know. There you go. And push that on there. Yep. And this one goes right there. Yeah, that's pretty tight. That ain't going anywhere. That is not bad at all. And right before it gets to the top, it slows down so it doesn't bang. And the last test, I guess, will be to see what we're at here. What were we, like almost 32 inches? Put that right where I had it before. And now we're about, it advertised 8 inches, but I've got about 9, yeah, about 9 inches is what we got, something right in that area. So yeah, that ain't bad, is it? Quick, easy install. They look pretty good. Actually, you know what? I should have thought about it. I should have put that one over here and that one on the other side so that the wording faces out. But I guess that's all depending on how you feel about them. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe is appreciated. Take care.